Look at you, such a pathetic engine. Darren, what do you think you're doing? None of your goddamn business.
Darren, this has gone long enough. You've been bullying all of us, even your own siblings. Why are you acting like this?
I don't have to explain myself. I am more proper, better than everyone. I don't need to be a goods engine. I am more superior to the Caledonian Railway.
Oh, you are certainly not superior. No one is better, it's just you being a gigantic asshole.
Now, get out. Fine, but this isn't over.
Thanks for helping me, Marek Terry and 925.
Anytime, Aiden.
He was built during 1912. What happened? He used to be happy.
I don't know, and yet he still has a grudge against me. He's taking his anger out on all of us, even the bigger engines and smaller engines.
Something bad is about to happen to Darren. I just feel it.
I think it's best that we don't talk about this, and I think one of us might work for the RD. I just don't know. Anyways, I got this freight train to take. I'll see you guys later.